Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Garden. Today I'll share with you how to revive a rotting orchid, a common issue many orchid growers face. Even if the plant shows signs of root rot, wilting leaves, or yellowing, we can still save it and help it recover healthily with just a few simple steps at home. This method doesn't require complex techniques or complicated ingredients. Anyone can do it. Let's get started together. When orchids become rotten like this, don't rush to throw them away. This is a very common condition and can absolutely be revived if handled correctly. The main cause is often an overly wet environment around the roots, an ideal condition for bacteria and fungi to thrive, attacking the root system and weakening the plant quickly. It could also be due to sudden weather changes that the plant couldn't adapt to. The first thing we need to do is gently remove the plant from its pot to inspect the entire root system and clean out the old medium. If the old medium isn't completely removed, it will continue to harbor fungi and harmful bacteria, making the orchid's recovery process difficult and potentially causing further root rot even after repotting. This is a crucial step in saving the plant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I'll cut away all the rotten and damaged roots using clean scissors or a knife. Make sure to sterilize your tools before cutting to avoid spreading pathogens to the plant. Removing all damaged roots prevents further decay and creates conditions for new, healthy roots to grow. The stem is also gradually rotting from the tip downward, so I'll use larger scissors to remove all the rotten parts to prevent the infection from spreading to the healthy sections. After removing all damaged roots, gently rinse the entire plant with clean water to completely remove the old medium, dust, and any remaining bacteria. This cleaning process refreshes the plant, minimizing the risk of fungal diseases and creating the best conditions for recovery. To prevent bacteria from re-entering through the cuts on the stem, I'll apply candle wax to the cuts like this. Now, we'll prepare a natural mixture to support the plant's recovery after cleaning. Prepare 1 liter of clean water and add 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Honey not only has natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties, but also contains numerous vitamins and minerals that stimulate new tissue growth and promote root formation. It's a safe, easy to find, and highly effective ingredient for reviving orchids. Now, place the orchid's root system in the honey solution you just prepared. Ensure the water covers the entire base of the plant, so all damaged areas come into contact with the nutrients. Soak for about 25 minutes. During this time, the honey will disinfect, eliminate bacteria and fungi, and protect the roots from widespread rot. This helps the plant recover faster and start forming new roots in a short time. Don't throw away the remaining honey water after soaking the roots. You can repurpose it to care for other orchids in your garden. If you're a beginner who's always worried about overwatering and unsure when to water your plant, look at the color of the roots. If the roots turn silvery gray and the medium is dry, that's when the plant needs watering. Prune away any roots and flower stems that are no longer useful to the plant. Use this solution to mist the plants and apply this method once a month. This will keep the plants lush green, promote healthy root growth, and effectively prevent fungal diseases and harmful insects. With a natural, readily available ingredient, the results are truly remarkable. Water this honey solution directly onto the base of the orchid. The roots will be protected from fungal diseases, while the plant stays lush, fresh, and grows faster. This is a simple, easy to do, and highly effective method for reviving and nourishing orchids during blooming and after the flowers have faded. After 25 minutes of soaking, gently lift the plant out of the solution. The root system is now green, firm, and completely clean. With healthy roots like this, the orchid will soon revive, sprout new shoots, and grow vigorously in the near future. After the orchid has been revived and its roots are healthy, I'll repot the base in dry, ground pine bark. Place the base in the center of the pot and gradually cover it with pine bark, ensuring the roots are fully covered, but not too tightly packed. Pine bark will maintain the necessary moisture and create ideal conditions for the orchid to grow. Cover with a layer of moss to retain moisture for the plant. For the next 5 days, we won't water the plant. This is a crucial step to allow the orchid to adapt to its new environment. The plant needs time to recover and get used to the new medium. After 5 days, you can start lightly watering the base to help the medium and roots maintain the necessary moisture. Soak the pot for 15 minutes. Then remove it. On regular days, use only water to mist or water to maintain humidity, avoiding overwatering. Place the plant in a cool, airy spot with light. Cover the plant with plastic containers that have ventilation holes to prevent insects and retain moisture. After the next 4 weeks, the small orchid has revived strongly. The roots are growing very well, and you can see the orchid has produced a healthy, lush green shoot. This simple method truly helps revive damaged or weak orchids and promotes rapid growth. At this stage, to help your small orchid grow quickly and thrive, I'll share a simple but highly effective fertilizer recipe. This is a natural method that's easy to make and helps the plant grow vigorously. We'll use 5 tablespoons of rice. Rice contains many B vitamins, which help the plant grow quickly and strongly. Add the rice to 0.5 liters of water. Stir well to let the rice release its nutrients into the water. Then, let it sit for 12 to 24 hours to allow the rice water to fully infuse. After soaking, filter out the rice and keep only the rice water. Now, simply water the rice water directly onto the orchid's base. The nutrients from the rice water will help the orchid grow quickly, with strong and stable roots. Apply this method every 14 days, and your small orchid will grow quickly and thrive. And here's the result, after 3 months of applying this simple care method. The orchid has grown very lush and green, with a healthy and stable root system. New leaves have sprouted, thick and glossy, and the stem is noticeably sturdier. The plant's vitality has been fully restored. This is clear proof that with a little patience and love, any orchid can be revived and shine in your garden. From now on, you won't need to cover it anymore. Place the plant in outdoor light to help it absorb sunlight and grow faster. Care for your orchids with all your love, because they can truly feel it. When loved and cared for properly, orchids will reward you with lush green leaves, healthy roots, and vibrant flowers, like a gentle thank you to the one who nurtures them every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel for more useful orchid care tips. See you in the next videos, and wishing you success.